Alrighty, this is a video on, it's the ZDR50 V2. We got the bolt, the pin, the short pin, the valve, and the casing, the ZDR50 case. And it comes with a bolt. You gotta get this. Sorry, this is the valve and this is the bolt right here, but the pin I already installed. I put a little Loctite on it and I put it in, but it's in there. And then this is the valve it comes with for the specific casing, so we can run the 25, 20, and 16 gram CO2 cartridges. These are the threaded ones. So I'm still waiting for some of those in the mail. Fortunately, they went to my old address, so gotta get rerouted back to my new city. Anyways, I'll be showing a video on this coming up, the shooting video, but this is just an installation video right now. But yeah, as you can see, it's got like a Z chamber attached. And you just put your brass cap back in there, and your bolt will go on here, your bumper and everything. But first, we gotta take the other valve out and replace it. So basically, we're just taking the Umarex valve out and using the ZDR50 V2 bolt. Or sorry, valve. This is where we get this from, ZRam. And okay, there's the mag. So first of all, we're gonna do the valve, but this is a tuning run barrel. You can get them also at ZRam.net. And this is just a part for the internals for the spring for the magazine, and it comes with some screws too, its own screws. I got a little, it's just ultra silk paintball marker, special kind of lubricant I just use for the bolt and the pin, the valve tip o-ring. Also, you got to put a valve, an o-ring in the tip here. Yeah, okay, so you're gonna need your Phillips screwdriver. You gotta get all these in. I've already undid them. So we're just gonna pry this case open here. All right. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we just want to take this valve out. So, and then that's basically going back in. So, put my hand in this bolt here. Pull the valve out. Make sure nothing pops out. Okay, so I'm going to take the bumper. Slide it back on this one. Then we're going to take our bolt and I'm going to put a little of this on just for the spring. This is what I use for all my internals. Alright. Get this grease off my hand. And now let's put this back in. So I'm just gonna grab it. I like to put my thumb over all the springs and stuff right there, and then kind of hold everything in place. So I like to pull the sear down, and then put the bolt in. All right. Bolts in, everything's in. Now I'll just put the cap back on. Everything seems to fit nice. It's working, so put it back together with the screws. This is the boring part. Last one. Okay. So, put this old valve and bolt aside here. And so, I'm going to pull this handle off. And it's kind of just like the shell on the inside. So the casing fits in, it's got the room for your spring up here. And this will drop right in. Oh yeah, nice perfect fit. Like no wiggle, nothing. Alright, so yes, you can put some more Z extensions. You can go in with your HPA adapters. Let me see if I got one off handy here. Nope, there's one. Okay, so yeah, you can plug the HPA in right here. So just like that, once you put it all together. And so I'll put this back in here, put the spring in. Now we'll go with our barrel, the tuning run barrel. Yeah, make sure your spring's set. And then we'll put this back on. And then we got our screws here. It comes with everything. Or, sorry, it comes with the casing. And they are the same Phillips heads. Oh, hold on here. Alrighty, so I'll put these other screws in after, but so just screw your CO2 up in there. 16 gram, 20 gram, or 25 grammers. And then yeah, there's your access to your valve. You just put your brass cap back on there, and or you can put your adapters in for HPA. But yeah, we'll put this grip on. There we go. Cycles nicely. If you got your tuning barrels, got a long one here. Or just a normal sniper extension. And you can just keep putting as many as you want on, so. And anyways, just yeah, so your HPA adapter will go right in here. And then you pull that off and you'll be able to unscrew your CO2. I'll show it in the next video when I shoot it, but anyways guys, that is the ZDR50 V2 and ZDR50 case. You can get that all from ZRam.net. Just ask Daniel, he'll help you. You can browse it on his website. A lot of products he's got there. Check them out. We're going to be putting these to the test, but definitely going to have more shots, especially if you got it opened up and the 1.5 millimeter restrictor hole. Actually, no, sorry, this doesn't even have that. What am I talking about? It's a screw in now, so all your air chamber down here is gone. So it's all going to be in there where your air chamber will be now. So yeah, this doesn't even take a restrictor. So yeah, I'm already wondering now how an 88 gram is going to perform in this new valve. Anyways, we'll find it all out later, guys. You guys take care, stay safe, and as always, have fun.